revocable trust turns irrevocable when you pass away, how can creditors come after the assets inside of that revocable trust? So a revocable trust does not give you asset protection from creditors. So what's going to happen is you set up the revocable trust, you are the trustee and the beneficiary, and you maintain full control over the assets inside that trust while you're alive if you so choose. When you pass away, that revocable trust becomes irrevocable. The purpose of that is so that no one can change or amend or readjust that trust to manipulate the distribution of those assets. So it's only for protection of how you want the distribution of those assets to occur. Because with a revocable trust, the trustee can change, amend, or cancel that trust at any time. And they don't want your backup trustee that's coming into your role as trustee when you pass away to be able to make those changes. But with a revocable trust, your assets are still a part of your estate because they're being filed on your personal tax returns. And so when you pass away, creditors of your estate that you owe money to are able to come after the assets inside of that revocable trust, even though, yes, it turns irrevocable when you pass away. You still don't get that asset protection for that probate process for the debts that you owe when you pass away. It will still give asset protection from your beneficiaries if you keep those assets inside of that irrevocable trust after you've passed away, because you're not putting those assets inside of their personal names, and any creditors, lawsuits, divorce settlements coming after them typically won't be able to access the assets inside of the irrevocable trust. And so even though your revocable trust becomes irrevocable when you pass away, it does not give asset protection from creditors coming after your assets for the debts that you owe. It will only protect the assets from your beneficiaries if you set it up correctly. If you want help setting this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.